Hey folks, I realized that I told you guys to do the paraphrasing and quoting worksheet for Thursday, but I didn't mention in class sort of how to find it and how to go about it. So I just want to walk you through that real quick. So this is like everything else we've done so far. If you come to our class, go to content, you'll get here, and then in essay one over on this side, there's a folder called paraphrasing and quoting work, and it's just got these two things in it. Okay. Um, the template, which if you open up here, is really simple. Just offers you quotation, a paraphrase, then source text and my text. And if you want to open this up, go all the way down to the bottom, hit download, and then it'll just open as a Microsoft Word document. And if you've got Google Drive, it should, or Google Docs, if you've got a Chromebook, it should upload and open in Google format as well. Okay. The other thing we have is a sample, excuse me, sample paraphrase and quoting template. So this is actually the thing that's going to help you the most to walk through and understand what's going on. So what I want you to do is to take a quotation, some direct text out of your scholarly article for essay one. Okay, just plug it in here. You can use the same one for both of these if you want. I happen to use different ones, but you can use the same ones. So this on the left side is text from your source. In this case, that should be your scholarly article for essay one. On the right-hand side, I actually want you to work that into a quotation up top and a paraphrase down at the bottom. So up top, what you'll see here is, I have written in sort of an introduction in this chunk right here. That sort of introduces the author and the where she works in this case and what she says, what her overall argument is. You don't necessarily need to do that, but you want to introduce it somehow. Then the quote, the citation, and at the end, a brief explanation as to what it means. In the paraphrase section, what you'll see is this is all in my own words. So I still have a same in blue marked here, introduction. But then in the red, I've got information taken from this passage, okay, that has all been put into my own words. So this is a really complex, difficult to understand thing. So I tried to explain it here for a layperson. So I'm taking the information from the source and putting it into my own words in a paraphrase here. The whole idea here is for you to paraphrase or to practice paraphrasing and quoting. So quotation here, those are the source words. Paraphrase here, that's the source information or research in your own words, okay? If you got any questions, don't hesitate to let me know. I will be glad to help.